Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to go over the 5 handbags in my collection that I cannot wait to use for summer. The bags I think are going to be the most used in the summer. The bags that if you follow me on Instagram, you're gonna be real tired of in the next 3 months, okay? Now this video is actually a tag created by JoJo Lux, and I actually saw her and Amelia Rose's Closet, which two of my absolute favorite YouTubers ever. I'll link both their videos right up here in case you guys wanna see them. You definitely should go check their channels out when you're done with this video. But I saw them both do it and I feel like, I felt like taking part. That's it. I want to do it, and so now I'm doing it. So if you guys want to know what my 5 most used bags for summer will probably be, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're going to want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like summer, you like bags being used in the summer, I feel like this is definitely where you're gonna wanna be, so you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the K Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day there's a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot. It's a lot of stuff going on over there, so you should definitely follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. I'm just gonna preface this really quickly by saying, obviously, most of my handbags are colorful. So with that being said, I'm just gonna pick the ones that I feel like will go with most of my wardrobe, if not all of my wardrobe. If I had to pick only 5 bags to use in the summer, I feel like these would be the top 5. My first pick obviously has to be, you guys know this is one of my absolute favorite bags in my collection. It's gonna be this pink mini rectangle. I use this bag like crazy, and the main reason for me is that this pink is just the most perfect pink. It goes with absolutely everything. I do have another pink bag in my collection, which is this Business Affinity here, but that pink is a lot lighter and doesn't match as much as this like more rosy mid-tone pink. This just goes with absolutely everything. It's like almost a neutral for me. Any one of my like floral flowy dresses, I feel like this is a match made in heaven. This does have silver hardware on it. If you guys want to see my entire handbag collection video, I'll link it right up here. But if you saw that video, you know this is like my absolute favorite mini. I think it's just perfect. Now I actually do really love a mini. You guys know this, a mini top handle even more, but a mini from Chanel is just, it's necessary. It's necessary for me. So this being in one of my favorite styles, this being in one of my favorite colors, it gets used a lot. But with that being said, this isn't lambskin, and where's the wear? Show me the wear. Show me the wear. You can't. I know everyone is really into caviar, and I understand it. I definitely do, trust me. But I just love lambskin so much. If you guys want to see a comparison video that I did, I'll link it right up here. But I love that this is in lambskin. I love how beautiful this color is. I love that it goes with freaking everything. And I love that if I have to be hands-free with this bag, I can. Now I will say I'm definitely wary of color transfer with pretty much all of my bags. I just wouldn't risk it with pretty much any of them. Like if I had to be hands-free and I was wearing denim, like whatever I needed to be hands-free for can suck it, because it's just not gonna happen. It's just not. I love her so much, especially in the spring and summer. So this just had to be like, this had to be number 1. The rest of the list is like not really in order, but this one, she's the top. She's the head bitch, man. So since we're talking about minis, let's just get the other mini rectangle out of the way. It's gonna be the caramel one. And I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking.
This is obviously such a fall color.
I understand where you're coming from when you say that, but here's why you're wrong. This is the reason, right? Here is the reason. So I am planning, I already wore these obviously. If you guys didn't see the vlog that I filmed, I'll link it right up here. But I am planning to wear this combo all day, every day this spring and summer, and well, summer, because we're like 2 days away from summer at this point. And I just like, you can't tell me nothing. This is gonna be it, and I'm ready. I understand that this color is very fall. It screams fall, and trust me, I get it. But you can't deny me this in the summer. You can't. I'm sorry. You can't. Since I don't have a wicker bag in my collection, this is just pretty much acting as my wicker bag. So this is, it's number 2, man. It's number 2. Don't hit the player, hit the game. We do have one more mini to talk about, but at least this one is a mini top handle. So like, don't fight me. Don't fight me. They're not all minis, but you guys already know like what my collection is. I have like the same bag over and over again. So like, what did you think this was gonna be? The next bag is a mini top handle, and it is this gorgeous royal blue one. Oh my God, I love this bag so much. You guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, that this bag actually got pooped on by a bird recently. It was a wonderful experience. 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend it. I just think that this blue shade is It's everything. And I have found that I've been purchasing a lot of things for like the spring and summer months, things that I feel like are a little bit more flowy and girly. And you guys already, you know my style, you know what I like, okay? So I've been purchasing a lot of stuff to kind of transition me into the summer. 90% of the things that I buy are in this color. So I just am ready to whip this bag out. I feel like I'm having to force myself not to wear it because all I want to do is wear it. This color is just so freaking gorgeous. And especially, hear me out on this one, especially if you want to do like a color block moment. This bag with like an orange dress. You guys already know the mini top handle in general is my absolute favorite bag. Like if I could have a mini top handle in every single solitary color, I absolutely would, because it is just the best. This is also in lambskin. I forgot to mention, by the way, my caramel mini is also in lambskin. I mean, you guys know. Minis don't come in caviar anymore. But this bag is also in a lambskin. And again, the wear, just like show me where it is. Show it to me. I just think the mini top handle is the perfect style for me. I love a top handle. I love that this can be crossbody. It's not adjustable, obviously, neither are the other two minis that I spoke about, but like, I think that the way that they are, the height is absolutely perfect. And I just absolutely love it. And this color, I love to wear this with denim. You guys will know if you follow me on Instagram. I almost always pull this bag out when I'm wearing like an all denim look or something that has a little bit of denim. Unless it's a darker denim, then I will go with the navy cocoa handle over here. But 9 times out of 10, it's gonna be this one. I just think it's gorgeous. And this summer, prepare yourself, because I've already worn it. You guys haven't seen it really that much yet, but I have already worn it a shit ton of times. And it's not, can't stop, won't stop. It's not stopping. So since we were talking about color blocking, like she had to come out. She had to make her appearance. This bright orange color is everything. It's everything. And I absolutely love the Micro Lady Dior. Like, I would consider getting another one. Am I like actively searching for one? No, because I literally just got this Lady Dior in green. I'll link that unboxing up here. But I just think this bag is fantastic, especially because it's such a bright color, but in such a like small concentrated dose. I've actually worn this bag before with a bright royal blue dress. So I'll leave a picture of that right here. Apparently royal blue and orange are just like, that's just my vibe. That's just like how I like to color block. I also really like green and pink together. But this in the summer is going to be so good. I feel like even if you're wearing like an all white outfit, just throw this on and you are gonna be ready for summer. Orange just reminds me of like tanning and like the sun and like heat. So I feel like in the summer, that's the absolute perfect time to pull out your orange bags, whichever bag it might be. But for me, obviously, it's gonna be this Micro Lady Dior. So I am just so excited to use this. No, it doesn't fit shit. If you guys wanna see what it fits, I'll link a video right here where I compare the ABC Lady Dior and this size. But in the summer, I don't need it to fit anything. I don't wanna be carrying around a whole bunch of stuff. Not me, at least, not in the summer. And I just love these charms. And for some reason, I feel like these charms in the summer are even better. So this is just like the best summer bag that I have. You cannot tell me it is not. It just screams summer. Like, it's yelling at you. It's yelling. And since we're talking about Lady Dior's, my final bag that I feel like I'm gonna get so much use out of in the summer is going to be not the new green one, but the white one that I have had for the, I hate how the white bag always throws the lighting off like that. Do you see that? You see that. I feel like white, honestly, is one of the best neutrals to have in your collection as far as handbags. And I know a lot of people are really scared about dirtying their bags, but listen, unless you're just like tossing your bag around, I think you're gonna be okay. I just feel like a white bag is absolutely necessary, and this one is perfect for me. I love the Lady Dior. You guys know this already. And in the summer, I am planning to love her even more. Again, I don't really use the strap that comes with it. It's in there somewhere, but I just love this as a top handle. It's just so elegant and girly. And again, most of the colors that I wear in the spring and summertime is white, light colors, light pastels. And I feel like this bag goes perfectly with all of them, literally all of them. If I had no other bags in my collection, only this bag, I would definitely survive for the summer, because like most of my dresses are white with some type of pattern on them. You pull out a white bag and you're matching perfectly. Throw on some white orans. You guys know what it is with the orans, and you're good to go. I just can't picture a summer where I don't use the crap out of this bag. You guys know this. Like I said, if you follow me on Instagram, you know how many times I have pulled this bag out, especially in the summer. And I don't expect that the summer is going to be any different, because I just freaking love this bag. And again, the way that these charms make me feel, especially in the summer, like, I'm sorry. It doesn't get better than that. I want to be noisy. I want to be known. I want my orans to be click-clacking away. and my bag to be jingling, and I want you to know that I'm on my way. I am arriving. Now, obviously, you guys know that I have more colorful bags. I have a yellow bag here. I have green, purple, red. I have tons of colors, but these bags are just the ones that I feel like I am gonna use the most this summer. I have to give a quick shout out to the bag that I have already used the most this summer, and that is going to be my Chanel boy bag in the size small. I actually wore this today. That's why I feel like I have to give her a quick shout out. I've already worn this bag a couple of times this summer with the Zimmermann dress, with this dress, and it just provides the best pop of color. I used it so much more this season than I did when I actually got it in the fall, in the winter. I did not really use it as much as I have already used it, so I just wanted to give her a quick shout out because she is gorgeous. And I'm sorry, I know a lot of people don't really like the boy bag right now, but how can you deny the beauty of this bag? I can't. I don't know how you can, but I definitely can't. This bag is gorgeous. Yes, it is loud. Yes, the chain moves a lot, but as we have already discussed, I like that. And this Tiffany blue color in the summer, does it get better? No. The answer is no. So those are the 5, actually 6 handbags that I know I'm gonna be using a ton this summer. Let me know in the comments, what are your top 5 or type 6 or top 10, however many you wanna let me know. What bags do you think you're gonna be using like crazy? What colors do you think you're gonna be using like crazy? But that's all I have to say for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there, and that's all I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Testing the audio. Does it work? No one knows.